Hi, it's Mark with At My Home, and today we're at our studio where we actually do the videos for At My Home. And what I have here is from KB Covers is a keyboard cover to put on my keyboard that has all the Final Cut Pro key tips. So check this out. And by the way, they make it for a whole bunch of other programs as well, so you can get whatever one you want here. So let's just take a look. And here it is. It's basically like a silicon kind of material, and everything's printed on here. And you just basically lay it on your keyboard, and it fits nicely. Look at this. It's great. Fits right on there nice. And then anything you want to do with it, you can press the keys. It tells you exactly the kind of things that, like the space bar plays and stops and so forth. All of it's laid onto the keyboard, and it's a nice feel to it. So when you want to go press anything, it feels great. Works really well, doesn't seem to impede the keyboard at all. And I've been using it now since, well, at least a month or two. And it works great. So that's it. That's the KB Covers. And it's Final Cut Pro 10 shortcut covers. Thank you.